go home.
Yeah, I know, but they have to.
I like the children. I like him, and her, and him, and her. I really like all the boys and girls.
So do I, but I've got to go to home.
To go.
No, I don't either, mate. They don't live in kennels
Will
like
you
you, do
all
they?
come back and see me again next year?
Yeah, I think we will.
What? How about if we all did my dance? That would cheer me up.
Will it cheer you up? Alright, do you think, girls and boys, we should do his dance? Alright, so let's do the Thomson the Dog dance!
Turn it up. Do you wanna have a good time? Yeah. Do you wanna have some fun? Yeah. Who's gonna make it happen? In the sea and in the sun. Thomson the Dog. He's so excited when he's on the beach, surfing on the sea, throwing frisbees out of reach. He don't wanna stop him jumping all about. Say it won't work, you really gotta shout. Thomson, get down. Do you wanna have a good time? Do you wanna have some fun? Who's gonna make it happen? In the sea and in the sun. Thomson the Dog. Makes your records on his neck. Thomson is the coolest. It's gonna go off, let's raise the roof. He really is the smoothest. Allergies got nothing on tea. He's smart, he's cool, we got him. Stick with him, be in his back, and sure to come out smiling. Do you wanna have a good time? Do you wanna have some fun? Who's gonna make it happen? In the sea and in the sun. Thomson the Dog. T-Dog's cool when he's dancing on the floor. He can move like you never seen before. Spinning those records, he's a top DJ. If you like it, we wanna hear you say, Thomson, let's go! Do you wanna have a good time? Do you wanna have some fun? Who's gonna make it happen? In the sea and in the sun. Do you wanna have a good time? Do you wanna have some fun? Who's gonna make it happen? In the sea and in the sun. Thomson the Dog.
Girls and boys, make some noise!
Going home. See you all next year.
See you later, mate. Oh, Thomson the Dog. I'll see you soon, mate. Will I see you tomorrow? Yeah, Thomson the Dog will be out tomorrow. Don't worry, girls and boys. See you later, mate. Have a good evening. He likes to soak it up, doesn't he? Thomson, where's he going? You can't go through the window, mate. That's the wrong way. Look at him trying to... It's cats that climb through windows, not dogs. Come on, round that way, mate. He's lost, isn't he? Thomson, what are you like, mate? Now, ladies and gentlemen, I can reveal that the bingo ticket sales are now closed, so you cannot